Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a Tabbouleh-style bulgur salad. The only thing you need to cook for this recipe is the bulgur, which is super easy and straightforward to prepare, as you'll see. And then, with just a can of mixed beans and fresh salad vegetables, you'll have a fantastic and satisfying meal that is perfect for a salad bar or packing into a lunchbox. First, prepare the bulgur. The water to bulgur ratio is 1 cup and a quarter of water or stock to 1 cup of bulgur. So, to be sure you have the correct ratio, use measuring cups or the same container to measure both the volume of bulgur and water or stock. Here, I'm going to use vegetable stock and some chopped garlic to infuse the bulgur with a tasty and aromatic flavor. To achieve great results, use a medium-sized non-stick saucepan with a lid. Heat 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil over a medium-high heat. When hot, reduce the heat to low, add the garlic and let it fry for about half a minute. Then add the bulgur, stir well with a wooden spoon so that everything is well coated in oil, and fry over a high heat, stirring all the time for about 1 minute or so. Add the vegetable stock and bring to the boil. At this point, you can now place the lid on the pan and turn off the heat. The bulgur will cook by absorbing all the water, so set aside for at least 20 minutes so that all the grains are cooked. In the meantime, prepare all the other ingredients for the salad. Here, I'm going to use roasted salted cashews, but if you prefer, you can use unsalted or roasted them yourself. Coarsely crush the cashews using a cleaner freezer bag and a rolling pin, or a food processor if you prefer. Also, cut the apricots into small bits. Thinly slice the spring onions and cut the tomatoes into small pieces. Also prepare the dressing. Juice half a lemon and in a small bowl add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Two tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon agave nectar, a pinch of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, although you can use less if you want. Combine everything well with a whisk, taste and adjust any seasoning if necessary. Finally, prepare the rest of the ingredients. Leave the avocado for last, as it will turn dark if prepared too much in advance. One way to avoid this is to coat the avocado with some lemon juice. Also, finely chop the parsley and the mint leaves. Now that the bulgur is cooked and ready, fluff it with a wooden fork and tip it into a large serving bowl. Add the drained and rinsed beans, spring onions, and tomatoes, and give everything a quick toss. Then, combine the avocado, apricots, cashews, parsley in mint. Finally, pour the dressing and some freshly ground pepper if you want, and toss everything together. Don't forget to taste and adjust any seasoning if necessary. You can serve this salad as a main, side dish, or your packed lunch the next day. Hope you enjoy, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.